Welcome this video Porch Entrance idea to elevate your home. The entrance of your home is more than just a functionally space. It's the first impression guests have then that arrange and last thing then see us then lost. A well designed pouch can entrance your home, cup, appear, provide a welcome atmosphere, and even add functionally whether you start for rich or look to reform your exact pouch. Here are some creating principal idea to consider. Define the space with architecture functional. Paglo and overhand install a paglo or overhand upper your pouch not only provide shade but also add architecture interior. Hill can give your pouch a classic or modern look. Depend on the material and design you choose for inside whitewood. Glamour create a traditional aesthetic while saying matter for stone feel contemporary. Choose the rightful wood depth. A timeless choose wood pick. Give warm and textile. Other for tranquil wood or long view. Natural stone tile. Elegant those material add platinum. Look to your pouch. Then also weather resisting. Make theme and pouch area for a beautiful entrance. Screen in pouch. A screen in pouch provide a comfortable and pain-free outdoor space. Profess for relax and entertain. You can add screen to any exhaust pouch or build a new one with screen. Pouch decoration area. Add complement set. Choose comfortable and style set such as wicket, family, chair, or a pouch incorporating lights. Add warm and invite light to your pouch such as stem, light latching or tabletop touch plants. Add some green to your pouch with pot plant handbrake or a living bulb. Display decoration emerge. Showcase your personal style with decoration image such as home decor, artwork, or stream. Pouch design consider climax and weather. Consider the locate, climax and weather. Then design your pouch. If you live in a rain area, you mean words to add a full or cupping to your pouch. Budget determinant. Your budget for the project and choose material and design elements what fit within your budget, space and layout. Consider the size and layout of your pouch, then design the space words that embrace room for set. The moment add any decoration element you want to include. Style and architecture. Choose a pouch design that complement your pouch style and architecture. If you have a various style home, you mean what they choose a pouch with decoration, image, woodwork. Consider a pouch is a wonderful add to any home, provide a warm and welcome interest for family and friend. With or mean design other to consider switch to such the provide pouch idea or sub your style and budget, whether you have look to build a new pouch or report an exact one. Remember to consider like climax budget, style, and to create beautiful and functionally outdoor space.